Stop editing your videos. Manual editing is completely obsolete. What you are watching right now was not made in Premiere Pro or After Effects. It was entirely coded by AI. With zero editing or coding experience required, you can now turn one simple text prompt into a complete high-end marketing asset. Whether you need high-converting local ads or cinematic YouTube B-roll, Claude AI calculates the math, builds the motion graphics, and renders the video for you. Let us get to work. First, open your web browser. Search for Claude AI Desktop. Go to the official Anthropic website, download and install the application. Quick heads up, you'll need the paid plan for this. I'll show you why it's worth it in a second. It is an investment in your daily efficiency. To make this work, we must give Claude a local engine. We use a free developer tool called Node.js. Go to node.js.org. Select your operating system. I'm clicking Windows. Download the recommended stable version. Do not download the experimental beta. Open the downloaded installer file. A setup wizard will appear on your screen. Click Next. Accept the software license agreement. Leave every single default setting exactly as it is. Do not change the installation drive. Click Install. The engine is fully built. Next, we need to create a dedicated workspace. Go to your computer desktop, create a brand new empty folder. Name it AI Videos. Now, open your new Claude Desktop app. Look at the top right corner of the interface. Click the tab labeled Code. Click the button that says Select Folder. Choose the empty AI Videos folder we just created. Your workspace is now securely linked. But Claude cannot make videos yet. We have to hand it the instruction manual. Go to the chat box at the bottom of the app. Type exactly this text. I will put this in the description. Hit enter. A permissions box will appear on the screen. Click approve for everything. Step away for a few minutes. Claude is downloading the ability to animate and render videos locally. Let us test the engine. I will create a simple 10-second video. Hit enter. Watch the screen. Claude does all the heavy lifting. It builds the folders and writes the logic. It gives you a local web link. Click that blue link. Your browser opens instantly. You now have a live video preview running directly in your browser. Setup is officially done. Let us make some money. Our first use case is a before and after Addy for a local contractor. If you run a service business, you just want to show your work. You want the phone to ring. You do not have time to learn complex software like After Effects. Open the AI Videos folder on your desktop. Look inside for a subfolder named Public. If you do not see it, do not panic. Right-click and create it manually. I generated a few before and after pictures using AI. Drop all of your pictures into this public folder. This next step is extremely important. Rename your images to something very simple. Name them Kitchen Before and Kitchen After. You must use these exact file names when talking to Claude. Go back to the Claude chat box. I am pasting a prepared prompt. I will put this exact prompt in a free document in the pinned comment below. Tell Claude exactly what you need. Define the text font and the text size. List your exact business contact details. Hit enter. Claude will ask for your approval to run the code. Click approve. In few minutes, you built a lead generating marketing asset. There are no timelines to manage. There are no keyframes to adjust. Just a simple text instruction. But look closely at this browser preview. Watch how the images move. It looks exactly like a cheap static slideshow. We could make this exact video in Canva in under 2 minutes. You do not build an automated AI studio just to get basic Canva results. If this solution just saved you from manually editing this, drop a like so I know to find more workflows like this. Let us fix the boring slideshow problem. Go back to the chat box. Type, I want a scanner mask reveal effect that looks like After Effects. Tell it to update the text animations to slide in from the left. Hit enter. Claude rewrites the code. Look at the new results in your browser. Now it looks futuristic. Now it looks highly advanced. Remember this rule for AI video generation. You will almost never get the perfect result on the very first shot. You must keep talking to Claude. You change small things until you get the exact result you want. That was a simple local ad. But what if you need high-end production value? Let us talk about that cinematic intro from the very beginning of this video. You want channel credibility without hiring an expensive motion graphics editor. Go back to Claude. Type, Build a 30-second futuristic intro. Use strict colors, black, white, and neon green. Build a working loading bar that calculates math perfectly from 0 to 100%. Animate the text sharply on the screen. Hit enter. Think about the traditional editing process for a moment. If you asked a human editor to keyframe that loading bar, it takes 30 minutes of precise math. They have to ease the keyframes manually. They have to synchronize the numbers with the bar growth. Claude calculates all of that math and writes the code instantly. Look at the browser preview. The math is flawless. The animation is incredibly smooth. This elevates your brand credibility immediately. I did not get this exact look on the first shot. This is the result of a few attempts and a few quick chats. But there is a massive problem here. All of these videos we just made are completely silent. They do not have sound. A professional commercial requires perfectly layered audio. Now for the grand finale, we are going to solve the audio problem and build a premium television commercial for an energy drink called Apex. I generated 5 slow motion product clips using AI video generators. I generated a deep, gritty voiceover using 11 Labs. I generated a heavy bass track using an AI music generator. Open the public folder. Drop all 5 video files inside. Drop the voiceover file and the music track inside. Go to the Claude chat box. Type, build a 30-second cinematic commercial. Crossfade the 5 videos smoothly. Add the voiceover audio file at full volume. Add the background music file at 15% volume so it does not drown out the voice. Animate cinematic text over the videos. Hit enter. Claude writes the code and renders the first draft. Look at the browser preview.
5 a.m. The rest of the world is still sleeping, but you have an empire to build. Every second counts. An average just isn't in your vocabulary. When the grind demands more, you need an unfair advantage. Enter Apex.
The first draft is usually good, but it is rarely perfect. Listen to the audio playing in the preview. The audio tracks are completely overlapping. Look at the screen. The white text is blending into the bright video background. It is incredibly hard to read. Do not panic, do not open the code panel, do not try to fix the software yourself. You step away from being an editor. You just act like an art director. You talk to Claude in plain English. Go to the chat box. Type, "This is a great start, but we need to fix a few things." First, fix the audio overlap so the music and voiceover only play exactly once. Second, make the font completely thicker. Hit enter. Claude instantly recreate the code. Claude rewrites the correct logic in seconds. Now, look at what we created.
5 a.m. The world is sleeping, but you have an empire to build. Enter Apex. Clean energy, laser focus, zero crash, because average is not an option. Apex, fuel your drive.
We have a flawless, highly premium commercial. The audio is perfectly balanced. The text pops cleanly off the screen. You do not need to know a single line of code to do this. You just need to know what looks good. Give clear instructions and let the machine execute the heavy labor. When you are completely happy with this final result, go to your browser preview. Look at the top right corner of the window, click on the button labeled Render. Claude automatically packs all of the complex code into a standard, high-quality MP4 file. You can take that file and upload it straight to YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. If this replaces editing for you, subscribe. Because I'm testing tools that might replace entire workflows. See you in the next one.